Power struggles do not begin because children want control. They begin when both nervous systems feel under threat. In those moments, the issue on the surface is rarely the real issue. The shoes, the screen, the tone. These are triggers, not causes. A power struggle forms when a child feels their autonomy slipping, and a parent feels their authority slipping. Both respond by tightening. The child resists, the parent presses, and the interaction becomes about winning, not learning, not cooperation, but dominance. In this state, language escalates. Voices rise, explanations lengthen, and both nervous systems become more rigid. Power struggles persist because they are fed by threat to autonomy, threat to authority, threat to dignity. Calm parenting exits power struggles by removing threat, not by giving in, and not by overpowering, but by restoring safety. When safety returns, the need for control reduces, because control is often a response to feeling trapped. Children escalate when they feel they have no influence. Parents escalate when they feel they are not being respected. Calm parenting acknowledges both experiences without siding with either. It recognizes that cooperation cannot emerge under force, and that authority does not need to be proven through conflict. Exiting a power struggle does not mean abandoning the boundary. It means stepping out of the contest. When the contest ends, learning can resume. Calm responses signal something important: that the relationship is not at risk, that the boundary is not personal, and that power is not the currency of the interaction. Over time, children learn that escalation does not increase influence, and parents learn that authority does not require intensity. This changes the pattern, not immediately, but reliably. Power struggles weaken when they are not rewarded with engagement. They dissolve when safety replaces threat. Calm parenting does not aim to win. It aims to return to cooperation. And cooperation grows when no one needs to lose. This moment is enough.